everyone are welcome to turn on your video, and then we can see you. And this is a round table, and in the sense that everyone is expert, and we welcome all your contribution. So with that, and I'd like to just kick off the conversation and welcome everyone. And my name is Xiaoqun Jiang, and the president and founder of FinTech for Good and also AI 2030. So this is a conversation that we'd like to just kick off as a AI 2030 series. And as you can probably everyone who are here already just heard so much about ChatGPT, and AI these days is becoming such a hot topic. And of course, that's it's not all the stories are positive. There are also a rich information around AI, and for this series that we are bringing a list of great leaders in this space having conversation. The first one is around the scaling up AI for enterprise, and we have a number of future conversations on other topics around AI. And the reason why we select this as the kickoff, and if you're just looking at emerging technology adoption in general, enterprise play a very important role. Without enterprises adoption, and a technology may just really not able to achieve its scale, and may not also bring the right impact to the society. So with that, we have a very strong panel here, and I'd like to just invite them to introduce themselves. And as I shared from the beginning, this is a roundtable. Everyone is an expert, and we want it to be interactive.
I'm thrilled to join you here today for this exciting discussion. My name is Anastasia Tracy Reisis, and I'm the founder and CEO of Aquilia Group, LLC. It's a consulting firm where we assist organizations in adapting, innovating, disrupting, and transforming in this ever-evolving digital and interconnected world. My professional journey primarily revolves around banking and fintech, where I spent decades focused on governance, risk, and compliance. During that time, helping organizations navigate through transforming business models in the face of digital disruption was always my focus. In my view, in today's dynamic business landscape, adaptability is critical for organizations. Whether it's compliance or any other business operations, embracing emerging technologies and innovations such as AI-driven disruptions is critical to staying competitive and maybe even relevant. AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we do business by enabling organizations to streamline operations, improve efficiency, optimize customer interactions, deliver personalized experience, and so much more. I'm genuinely looking forward to today's discussion, engaging with you all, and above all, learn. And I'm a lifelong learner, and gaining valuable insight is very important to me. Thank you.
Thank you, Tracy. And Albert?
Amazing. Nice to meet everyone, and good morning. Is where I'm at today. My name is Albert. I'm the co-founder and chief operating officer of VectorShift. We're a startup, but we're currently actually in the Y Combinator summer batch. What we are building is we're building a platform that accelerates the deployment of large language models for enterprises. So we actually work with large enterprises, internal development teams, and then the internal development teams use our platform to build internal tools. Or we have another motion where we actually use our platform to deploy end-to-end solutions for our customers. So for example, we work with a few large enterprises for use cases such as creating an internal engine to respond to RFPs. Another use case is creating an engine that queries an entire document base within an organization and helps frontline sales reps, understand how to prep and present themselves on calls. My background is I was a former consultant at McKinsey, where I helped large enterprises digitally transform. And yeah, I'm excited to be here today. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Michael.
Good afternoon, all. Thank you for having me. Pleasure to be among some esteemed people on the panel. So my name is Michael Borelli, co-founder of AI and Partners, which is a professional services firm for companies subject to the European Union Artificial Intelligence Act. We provide a plethora of services, including advisory, scoping, and compliance software. We've actually built the world's first product called the European AI Scanner, which effectively identifies and risk classifies any AI system, which has been validated by the OECD. So major milestone, and the team have been absolutely fantastic and working super hard. Like my contemporaries on the panel, I stem from consultancy background and financial services, mainly in regulatory compliance, so helping companies with regulatory change management programs and helping them through advice on governance matters and this type of thing. I also had a brief stint setting up an operations division at a crypto exchange, so a lot of different interests, but ultimately a lifelong learner, and as Tracy alluded to, important to be adaptable. So pleasure to be here, and thank you for having me.
Thank you, Ravi.
Yes, hi everyone. Delighted to be here. It's a great panel to be part of. So I'm Ravi Sarkar. I'm the enterprise CTO in the capital markets and fintech segment in Microsoft. And as part of my role, I focus on all of technology strategy and execution of the tech platform, the cloud platform that we have for the capital markets and fintech segment. And I drive the innovation agenda across the industry. That's my role. Have been in the industry for almost 20 years. Was lucky to be part of some of the tier one banking and fintech systems, building out their capabilities at the foundational level. And here we are with some of the latest and greatest technologies that we are right now focusing, AI being one of them. Blockchain was slightly new, but now it's much more advanced, I would say. So combining all those converged technologies to enable business value is my focus.
Thank you. And as you can see, that we do have a very strong group of experts who can just share on some of the very interesting things. And my first question is really around the AI trend and also the excitement in the market, and maybe this time just from Ravi first. That's in your view, what is the most exciting thing around AI happening, and how does that impact your business and also your clients now?
Yeah, no, and that's a very relevant question at this point. I would say some of the trends that we are seeing are, at a foundational level, all the capabilities that the large language models are able to provide. People are trying to replicate the cognitive capabilities of human being. So being able to see like human, being able to talk like human, being able to process the large information like human, but at scale. So that's the foundational level of use case that everyone is trying to kind of wrap their arms around. That's the number one trend which we are seeing. The other aspect of it is, can we do things that we have not been able to do before with the new capabilities, new large language models, and the AI capabilities sitting on top of cloud. So these are some of the key trends that we are seeing. And if you overlay that on top of these capabilities, the business use cases, people are being very creative. They are thinking of, how do we create, let's say, the test data, leveraging some of the AI models at scale, and accelerate the development of some of the solutions and the products much faster. So some of the things that used to take probably a couple of years, now we can accelerate those product development in months or maybe weeks. So these are some of the high-level trends that we are seeing, leveraging the AI capabilities, and also at a technical level, people are trying to identify which large language model will be the best solution for them. So running the large language models at scale with the high throughput and low latency, those are some of the experimentations that are ongoing at a technical platform level. So I will highlight these as some of the trends. Ziachong.
Thank you. Yeah, now that's definitely, I think, some of the things we have seen a lot from our enterprise, and then they have all those questions that need to be answered. And